Warning, your job may not exist by 2035. We are now in the middle of the biggest job revolution since the industrial age. AI, automation, and robotics are taking over faster than anyone predicted. Some jobs will completely disappear, others will change forever, and if you are not preparing for it, you may get left behind. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, we are breaking down the careers that may vanish by 2035 and the new ones that will replace them. Stay until the end, because I will also show you how to future-proof your career in the AI age. Let's go! Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification so you won't miss our future videos. This channel is here to help you navigate the future of work, education, and career planning in the AI age. Today, we will break down the latest trend in the AI-driven careers, future-proof skills you will need to survive automation, and also alternative education paths that will set you apart. And our goals is to help you stay ahead of the curve and to make the smartest career decisions in the fast-changing world. Over the past few years, we have helped over 2,500 students and professionals design academic and career plans to ensure they don't get left behind in this jobs revolution. And at EduVisor, we specialize in AI-powered career insights reports, academic and career planning for the future-proof careers, and we also help young professionals and students build the skills that AI cannot replace. That's why if you want a personalized career plan, stick around until the end. I will show you how to get a free consultation session and also AI-proof career toolkit for free. Here are 6 careers that are on the chopping block right now, and the future careers replacing them. The first one is cashier and retail workers. And what's replacing them? Self-checkout, AI-powered payment system, and also automated stores, just like Amazon Go, something that we are now using, maybe on a daily basis. The second one is the bank tellers and loan officers at the bank. And what's replacing them? Online banking, AI-powered chatbots, and also robo-advisors. The third one is the customer service representatives. And what's replacing them? AI chatbots again, and also automated voice assistants, so that we don't have to physically go to the shop anymore. And also the development of AI agents. Have you heard of AI agents? Why are the developments of AI agents replacing customer service jobs? The first reason is because of its 24/7 availability. They respond instantly and reduce wait times. The second reason is cost efficiency. Companies save millions by using AI instead of hiring large customer support teams. Third, personalization. AI can analyze customer history and sentiment to offer tailored solutions faster than human. And also scalability. AI agents can handle thousands of customer requests at the same time, a task impossible for human beings. AI agents are rapidly replacing traditional customer service representatives in the bank, e-commerce, insurance industry, tech industries, and even other industries. Some companies are already cutting up to 80% of human support jobs in favor of AI-driven solutions. So what's our solution? If you are in CS, now is the time to upskill yourself. Learn AI automation, UX design, or AI agent management to stay ahead. A fourth occupation that could be replaced by technology could be the truck drivers and delivery workers. And what's replacing them? Self-driving trucks, drones, and automated logistics. The fifth occupation is traditional journalists and copywriters. And what's replacing them? AI-generated content from ChatGPT and automated news reporting. 6. Data entry and admin jobs. And what's replacing them? AI-powered automation tools that process data instantly. And actually, there are so many jobs are disappearing. But yes, there are a lot of new opportunities out there if we are willing to explore and if we are willing to make changes. Now, we know what's disappearing. Let's talk about what we can do about it. The first thing is, we focus on jobs that AI cannot fully replace. Careers that require creativity, emotional intelligence, leadership, and problem solving. We will talk about this big topic in our future videos. And there are many fields such as healthcare, legal, education, AI development, cybersecurity, and human-centric design that will always be in demand. The second thing we can do is to learn AI-proof skills now. Instead of fearing AI, learn how to work with it. Skills like becoming a great user of ChatGPT and other AI tools, AI automation, data analysis, ethical AI will future-proof your career. And the last thing we can do is to choose the right education path. You don't always need a traditional degree. Watch our video, Is College Still Worth It? The truth about AI and your education to get to know more. There are a lot of certifications out there from Google, Meta, Microsoft, and a lot of hands-on experience that you can build by creating your own website, social media pages, blogs, etc. And also AI-focused course just will be as powerful as you get a 4-year degree. Now, if you need help figuring out your next steps, this is where we step in. Don't forget to go on our website, eduvisor.com, to unlock your potential and get a personalized career insight report based on your strengths and interests. Also, you will be able to find a lot of free toolkits to plan your education and career in the age of AI. And these toolkits are designed for middle school students, high school students, college students, and adults, just like yourself. If you want to book a free consultation with us, just go on our website and you'll be able to do so. Please, don't forget to share this video with a friend who you think will need to hear this. The future is changing fast. Let's make sure you are ahead of it. Let's future-proof your education and career together.